Welcome to the Handover.AI, a feasibility underwriting platform for real estate development. To get started, you sign in or create an account in seconds. Once inside, you land in your workspace where all your analyses are stored. At the top of your navigation, the workspace selector lets you switch between your personal workspace and any team workspaces you belong to. The search bar lets you find any past conversation, general chats, or feasibility sessions. Location stores every site you have analyzed. You can revisit or rerun any analysis at any time. Random tab holds your general conversations, anything not tied to a specific feasibility session. The new chat is your starting point for running a new analysis or asking the system a question. Below that, you have workspaces for team management, general settings, plans, billing, and support if you have any issues. In the top right, you can schedule a demo or visit your dashboard. To start a feasibility session, paste any address or search a location. Once the system detects your address, it asks how you want to proceed. You can type any question about the property, in this case, zoning. The AI analyzes the site and gives you a brief zoning context. You can run the full feasibility analysis. This consumes 1 credit and takes around 2 minutes. Beginning with the zoning to final recommendations, which gives you a wider picture. Zoning dictates permitted use types, density, and any overlay restrictions for that specific parcel. Next step is buildability. Setbacks, height limits, lot coverage, and what can realistically be built on the site. Then utilities and infrastructure. The full analysis also covers environmental constraints, soils, market comps, cost assumptions, and a complete risk assessment, all running as part of every session. The session also includes a map view of the site, giving you visual context alongside the data, like parcel boundaries, surrounding infrastructure, and the area around the property. At any point, you can chat with Copilot inside the session. You can ask about zoning risks, cost assumptions, or anything you want, because this chatbot is not generic. It works within the full context of your live session, so every answer is related to the actual analysis for that property. Once complete, the system consolidates everything into a go or no-go recommendation, a clear data-backed assessment of whether the site is worth pursuing. You can also export the full analysis as a PDF to share with partners, investors, or lenders. Everything from the session is captured in one clean document. The Handover.AI is not only for individual, but also built for teams. In your Pro plan, you can create multiple workspaces, invite teammates, assign roles, and also collaborate inside the same analysis environment. In Settings, the General tab lets you set your language and time zone preferences. Under Account, you manage your profile, name, email, and phone number, editable at any time. Your dashboard gives you a bird's-eye view. It maps every analyzed location, tracks go and no-go decisions, and summarizes your portfolio with total sessions and average confidence score. Below that, the recent sessions logs every previous session, including its address and timestamp. Each session is clickable. You can go back to any previous analysis, review results, or pick up where you left off. Your entire history is preserved. And if you run into any issues, check the FAQ section first. If that does not resolve it, submit a support ticket. AI triages instantly, and a human responds within 24 hours. The billing page gives you a full breakdown of your account. At the top, your active subscription with the option to manage it. Below that, your credit balance, session usage, and overall stats. Further below, you will find your complete billing history. Now, for the subscription plans, there are 2 options, pay-as-you-go and the Pro plan. On the top, you can manage your subscription. The Pro plan is $300 per month with 15 sessions included, roughly $20 per session. It also unlocks workspaces, PDF exports, team collaboration, analytics, and multi-location analysis. Pay-as-you-go has no subscription. You pay per session at approximately $30 each, best for occasional users. Pay-as-you-go is flexible. Pro is significantly cheaper per session if you are running multiple deals. The right choice depends on volume. Enterprise plans cater to larger teams, providing custom pricing, dedicated support, and features like audit trails, integrations, governance, and custom underwriting rules. Payments are handled through Stripe. Your billing and card information are fully secured and encrypted. Nothing is stored on our servers. The goal behind the Handover.AI is simple: faster go or no-go decisions. Eliminate bad deals and focus only on viable opportunities. Start your first feasibility analysis today on the Handover.AI.